Here's the small Makita chainsaw DUC254. In order to turn the chain, you have to press that button, but that button cannot be pressed until you press this also, and then you can press it, but it's still not starting until you press the top one. So 1, 2, and then the third one. Now the problem with this is that it is turning itself off. So if I want to press it again, it's not working because that is not on. So 1, 2, and 3. Now how to make that LED stay on so that you can use it? Well, don't release this top one. So press the top one, and as long as you hold down that one, the lower one can be used. Notice the LED did not turn off because I'm holding this top one, and the lower button is usable. So that's the trick to make the LED stay on, is to hold this button. If I will release this button, the LED will turn off and the lower button will not work. I released it and it's off. And it's not working anymore. So this is the trick. Continuous cutting without pressing all the time that button, just by holding this down. The battery has 3 bars. Let's see. Watch for nails. So I press it once, it's green, and cut. Release the finger, keep the top one. Notice it's still green. I did not press the top button. And it's working. So keep the top one pressed. Oops, nail. Now it's flashing. But it's still working. It's still cutting. And it's still working. The green light stays on until you hold the top button. It doesn't go out. It is on. It's green.